Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold for your next week gold trading. My last video I was mentioned gold past the 2000 level and already past the 2000 level last week video. That's my accuracy of analysis. So you didn't watch that video, go to my channel and watch that video. I am thinking you will help my gold analysis for your gold trading. Okay, let's move to the line chart. Gold, you can see the left side huge strong resistance, so that's resistance would be supported in right side next week. So that's my technical picture. So 2009 is the price is now gold. So I am thinking gold will be going to the upside next week, and demand also continuing. The 2070 is my target. That's my technical picture I have. So I am going to analyze my economic data, what is going on regarding US dollar. That's the Forex live mentioning US dollar rallies after non-farm payroll, then gives it back. That's the details of the jobs. US job reports were strong non-farm payroll, but the dollar has been unable to hold into gains. That's the Forex live mentioned. That's the last week Friday that was released non-farm employment change. So that's the Fed, American Central Bank, was forecast 230 to 228 is the forecast. The actual figure is 236. That's the positive for US dollar, and unemployment rate was dropped to 3%, 3.5%. That is unemployment rate was dropped, and that is positive figure for US dollar. That's the last week economic data was released. So you should forecast next week CPI data will be releasing regarding US dollar. That the consumer price index data next Wednesday will be released regarding US dollar. So Fed is now 6% CPI data. Fed, American Central Bank, forecasting drop to 5.2% to CPI data. So actual figure will be 5.2. That is also positive figure for US dollar. That's the next week economic data, CPI data. You will touch with this economic data if you are trading gold trader. So that's the next week economic data I have. You will touch with this. Let's move technical analysis for your gold trade next week. So I am in 1 hour chart. I move to the 1 hour chart, gold chart. You can see I am seeing this technical picture. It's continuing like this candle was continuing from last week. This is the candle I am seeing. Technical picture is continuing. This is type of candle. This pattern is like a bullish black pattern is continuing. So that's this move. Two move already completed. This is first one, and this second one. Third move will be continuing in next week. So you have a buy opportunity in next week also. So there's a huge resistance in left side, and it will be supported in right side. So 2019.90 is your buy trade goal. So goal will be retracement to the my black color line, and it will going to up again like this. That's the my technical picture. This retracement and break to the upside and going to the upside. That's the my technical picture view. My first target is 2070. I already mentioned last my videos. So 2070 is target. This is the technical picture I have. Next week you have a buy opportunity is 1995, 2000 level is your buy chance. So third move will be continuing next week. You have a buy chance in next week goal. So take a money management well and get the trade from smaller time frame confirmations. And there's my telegram link below. That's why accurate gold trading signals. Thank you.